everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for watching all my videos. And in today's video I am going to create this eye look. It's a Maharashtrian bridal eye look. So guys, keep on watching. So today I'll be using Sugar Blended Eyeshadow Palette 01 Flawless, and look at the shades. All shades are neutral. So at the very beginning I am defining my eyebrows with Sugar Eyebrow Definer. So for the eyeshadow application I have taken this Pro Art PE23 brush and applying this cream shade on all over my eyelid. Next I will be using PAC 209 brush and I have taken the orange shade from the same palette and applying it on all over my eye except the inner lid area. And for the next steps I have taken this Sugar Blended Eyeshadow Palette 02 Warrior, and from this palette first I will be taking this brown shade, and for application I have taken Morphe X Jacqueline Hill brush JH40 and applying it on my outer eyelid to intensify the eye look. Next I took this Bailey brush. It's a fluffy blending brush and blending the eyeshadows all along together. For the cut crease I have taken this flat brush. It's from Star Makers. It's a non-branded brush, but trust me, this brush is so good. I bought this brush from Amazon so long back and used sugar concealer to create this half cut crease. Again, this small flat brush is from Bailey. Usually I use this brush to apply shimmer. Made this wing liner with Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner. Applying Sugar Kohl Kajal. Now applying Sugar Mascara to enhance the lashes. To complete the eye look, applying Sugar Highlighter on the brow bone area and eye corners. So here's the final look of the eye makeup. I hope you guys liked it. So let me just quickly finish up my next eye. And here's the final result. Hope you guys like the eye look. Actually it's super easy to create. You just have to keep patience and follow all the steps very carefully. And I love creating this kind of half cut crease bridal eye looks. And if you guys want more such eye makeup tutorials or full look of the Maharashtrian bridal makeup look, then do let me know in the comment section. And I just can't thank you all enough for always supporting me so much. And if you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. So that's it for today. Do like this video and share this video, and I love you all. Bye bye, take care.